Did you know that your choice of lender can actually impact how smooth or stressful your home buying process will go? Today, we're going to dive into why it's critical to choose the right lender and get pre-approved before you even start looking at homes. So let's get after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you would like to know everything there is to know about Richmond, Virginia life or any of the surrounding areas, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications and you'll be the first to know about living in Richmond, Virginia. My name is Scott Wynn. My team and I get calls and emails from people just like you every single day about making a move to Richmond, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 7 days or 7 months, we would love to help you make a smooth move to Richmond, Virginia. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm your go-to resource for all things Richmond and beyond. Today's topic is a big one: how selecting the right lender and getting a pre-approval can make or break your home buying experience. We're going to cover the benefits of a pre-approval, factors to consider when choosing a lender, and how both of these can give you a competitive edge in the market. All right, first things first, let's talk about the importance of getting a pre-approval. What is a pre-approval? Pre-approval is a process where a lender evaluates your financials and provides a letter stating how much you qualify to borrow. This letter essentially gives you the green light on what you can afford, and sellers take you much more seriously when you're pre-approved. Here are some benefits of a pre-approval. 1, it helps you know your budget, so you're looking at the right homes. 2, it makes your offer stronger in the eyes of the seller. Imagine being a seller deciding between a buyer who's pre-approved and one who isn't. Guess which one they'll lean towards? Obviously the one who has a pre-approval letter in hand, because it shows that you're a serious and prepared buyer. All right, now we're going to discuss why choosing the right lender matters. Your lender does more than just provide the funds. They're involved throughout the process, from pre-approval to closing, and can make a huge difference in terms of closing time, rates, and overall service. A good lender is responsive, knowledgeable, and transparent about fees and rates. This partnership is key to a smooth home buying process. All right, now we're going to discuss the different types of lenders. You have big banks, credit unions, mortgage brokers, and online lenders. Each has its pros and cons. For instance, a big bank might offer competitive rates but may not be as flexible. A local credit union or mortgage broker might be more personal and quicker in responses, which can be invaluable in a competitive market. In my experience, it's typically better to deal with someone who's local and that you've had experience with in the past. I don't know how many times I've needed to talk to a lender at night or on the weekend, and they're nowhere to be found because they only work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Obviously, in the real estate world, most people work those same hours, and typically when you're looking at houses, it's in the evenings or on the weekends. So sometimes you need that lender that can be available when the big banks are not. All right, well, how do you choose the right lender? First, you want to shop around and compare rates. It's crucial to get quotes from multiple lenders. Rates and fees can vary, so by comparing, you might save a significant amount over the life of your loan. This process of shopping around can also give you leverage to negotiate a better rate. Check for lender reviews and recommendations. Your real estate agent is a great resource for trusted lender recommendations, as they've seen who consistently delivers for their clients. Additionally, online reviews can reveal if a lender is known for good communication, timeliness, and transparent fees. These qualities can have a big impact on your experience. Make sure you understand the fees and costs associated with your loan. Lender fees can be a hidden factor in your loan. Be sure to ask about origination fees, discount points, and any other costs involved. A lower interest rate might come with higher fees, so weigh the overall cost of each loan offer, not just the interest rate. Consider the lender's flexibility. In a fast-moving market, flexibility can be a game changer. Ask if the lender can offer quick pre-approval updates if your budget shifts slightly. Or check if they can handle quick closings if you're in a multiple offer situation. All right, now we're going to discuss why a pre-approval is key in a competitive market. Pre-approval adds credibility to your offer. When a seller sees a pre-approval letter, they know you've done the groundwork. This letter is proof that you're ready and able to buy, which gives you an edge over buyers who might just be casually browsing or even planning to apply for financing later in the process. This will also help you be ready for faster offers. With pre-approval, you're ready to act fast. In a hot market, homes go quickly, so being able to put in an offer as soon as you find the right home makes all the difference. It allows you to move confidently and avoids missing out on a property you love. All right, now let's discuss the steps to getting pre-approved. First, you want to gather your financial documents. Lenders will ask for things like pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, and bank statements. It's good to have these ready to go. The more prepared you are, the smoother the pre-approval process will be. Ask the lender questions. Don't hesitate to ask the lender questions during pre-approval. Get clarity on your loan options, fees, rates, and the timeline. Remember, this is your decision, so ensure you're comfortable with all the details. Review and finalize the pre-approval letter. Once you're pre-approved, review the letter to ensure it reflects your budget and preferences. Then, hold on to it as you start viewing homes. Being pre-approved can give you a leg up, and if you're lucky, help you close faster than others competing for the same home. So let's talk about why all of this is worth it. Taking the time to get pre-approved and choosing the right lender will definitely set you up for success. It'll save you time and increase your chances of securing a home in a competitive market. Plus, it'll save you potential headaches later on. All of this prep work makes you an attractive buyer, and it gives you peace of mind. The good news is I have connections with all types of lenders, so depending on your situation, whether you're purchasing a resale home, new construction, or maybe even wanting to buy some land, I can point you in the right direction. I obviously also recommend checking your bank and credit union and people you already have relationships with. But as stated earlier, it's always good to check around because a lot of times lenders have different programs that some other lenders may not offer. There are also first-time homebuyer and down payment assistance grants available. Most of those have income restrictions, but it's also nice to know what your options are. I feel like it's also important to note that sometimes the interest rates may be a little higher than you would like, but just know that if that's the case, then you can always refinance later when the rates drop. But the good news is that you've already secured your home and you'll benefit from the increased equity while you're living there. Just remember that buying a home is an investment in your and your family's future. I hope today's video has clarified the importance of choosing the right lender and the benefits of a pre-approval. If it did, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to know about the Richmond, Virginia real estate market or any real estate tips for buying and selling. And if you're ready to start your journey here in Richmond, then don't forget to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we look forward to showing you around town. Until next time.